Sir, excuse me. Sir, excuse me. Question for you. Have you ever been broke before?
Sorry, ano ulit?
Have you ever been broke before?
Siguro never ako naging broke kasi yung blessing naman ni Lord laging sakto. So I wouldn't say I was ever broke.
Ano po bang industry natin, sir?
Real estate,
Gano'n na po kayo katagal sa industry?
3 years.
3 years matagal na. Ano po yung pinakamalaking kinita nyo sa isang buwan?
Around 300k din. It's a good amount. It pays the bills.
So how many clients yung nakuha natin sa isang taon?
More than 2,000 na rin yung mga nakausap kong tao.
Ano po ba yung secret para makakuha ng ganong amount of clients?
It's not a secret, pero I would say I wouldn't get as much clients as I have without following up. It's about following up with value eh. Kasi it also shows that you're prepared to talk to them.
Ang ganda, sir. Next question naman po. Any advice na pwede nyo ibigay sa mga tao na gustong pumasok sa sales?
Kung papasok ka ng sales or business, number one, you have to be delusional. But it's a positive delusion na ako yung pinakamagaling na nag-real estate broker, ako yung pinakamagaling na businessman. You never know what's gonna happen, but as long as you stay positive, as long as you believe that you're the best, it's going to help you. Take care of the work and the work will take care of you. Most of the time, we're always in the analysis paralysis. Kung ano man yung gagawin mo na trabaho, gawin mo lang. So ako, pag wala akong clients, I read books, I attend workshops, I learn about the market. Kasi luck is when preparation meets opportunity. I just have to stay prepared every time so that pag dumating yung opportunity, prepared ako, close deal, that's when I say I am lucky.
Very powerful words, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Pleasure to meet you, sir.
Pleasure to meet you din.